AI governance can be seen as, to some people, as an overhead and a burden of kind of compliance, almost a checkbox type of thing that we have to do. And I can understand why people might view it at that case, but I guess I turn it around somewhat, and similar to what you've just said, Matt, if you don't have the right governance in place, you won't be able to scale AI and use it in the ambitious way that many organizations want to use it. The reason being, when mistakes are made with the use of AI, there will be a lot of rework that's done as a consequence of that. And not to mention the risks of kind of reputational harm to an organization. Certainly if an AI system, blows up that's in production, that's customer facing, or even the harm that potentially it could cause through biased decision making, for example. So I think the consequences of not having it are far greater than the burden of actually having it. And one should also bear in mind that because large language models are non-deterministic, they operate in a way that actually is uninterpretable. They're really complicated systems. And we have no way of guaranteeing that the answer that an AI produces in a large language model is always going to be repeatable and robust. There are lots and lots of examples. You can ask ChatGPT the same question on 2 different days, the very same prompt, and the answer you'll get back will be slightly different. That's an example that manifests itself into all sorts of different use cases, and that presents problems. Banks, like any organization in a regulated environment, they're known for robustness, resilience, repeatability, and these are really the foundations of trust in an organization. It doesn't take much to break that trust, and when that trust is broken, you've got a lot of rework to do, and there's a lot of cost and consequence involved in that. So I think an investment in AI governance is actually a very healthy thing to do for all of those reasons. I mean, to have non-deterministic systems, you need to ensure guardrails are in place to make sure the system behaves in the way you would always want it to behave. So I always, the drum I beat is AI governance should just be seen as a way of augmenting your data science lifecycle work.